Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to play Bendy Lone Wolf again. Last time we have discovered Artist's Rest, so yeah, we're diving already into it, and gotten the elevator button for the Abyss. But before we go to the Abyss, I want to return to the studio, because depends on what level you are, you get other things. So while you are, let's say, in the studio, you get the scraps. That is why at the beginning, in the first video, it stood collect scraps in the studio. While the other things, you have no idea where you can collect them, and it will be clear later on. Here, these you can collect in gent boxes. I forgot about that, and I have no idea where the gent boxes are or what are they. I walked at a moment backwards. I don't know how I did that. So yeah, fuses and padlock keys in Artist's Rest. We'll see in the Abyss how it looks there. But for now we go back to the studio to get 2 more scraps that we need. And let's see what happens afterwards. Day 6, level 20. Welcome back to the studio. How is he already here? Oh, there he is. Scrap. 1 more and then we have all the scraps we need. Oh, we have already 2 scraps, thank you. So are these gent boxes? Oh! So that's how you do it. I'm curious what weapon it is. So now we only have to get 3 more things. Like, that's not my fault, he's literally running here the whole time. Padlock key? Wait, we get padlock keys also here? Yep, we made it. We made it through. Wait, we can interact. We have
Suddenly,
Oi.
Boris saw a glimpse of the man he used to be.
He was Buddy. Daniel Louis. Buddy.
And then it was gone.
Paper chase. Oh my goodness. That was so cool. Okay, even though it was... Wait, what? What is this? What is this? I want to open it. So I got the scraps. The bone we got! Oh my goodness. We got the plunger. Plunger eclipsed. We have now the plunger. Yeah, I don't know, the frying pan seems more of a weapon than the plunger, but I wanna try. I wanna try at least 1 time with the plunger. And that will be in the Abyss. Day 7 Abyss level U. We're literally by Norman. You know what? Let's just spin. Of course it's bad luck! Oh, there. No, the Intimate is here. But it was a heart. Oh my goodness. What is this? What was that? Was it a flying eye? Was it a bat?
If there's one loose bolt around here, we're gonna have a whole mess of trouble. And when you know it, that Wally guy is one loose bolt. He keeps the floors clean, he says. He didn't sign on for no science project. All I know is someone needs to keep these pipes maintained. And it can't be a slacker.
What is this? Padlock. Okay, but we checked fully right. There's nothing more. We need only a bone. And that means we have something missed on the left and down. Ooh. I'm literally so... Here's the bone. Okay. So I'd say now go up. And right. And now the whole time right. Oh my goodness. It wasn't really that bad. Oh no. Do we want to? Let's just do it. What is this?
Boris opened the crate. It was a bad decision.
And I said it could be Carly. But it
The Butcher Gang was unleashed.
No! Now we have the Butcher Gang running around. Seriously? Well, let's be honest, we were all curious what it was. He moved again.
Can't put a price on a masterpiece.
Wait. That wasn't here before. Now we know where the hearts go. Like literally, Studio is the most safe one. Artist's Rest is literally filled up with enemies, and the Abyss is literally a maze. Day 8, level ore. Yeah, now I get it. We got a weapon. I'm an international super spy. Super spy. Super spy. Why was the eye now here? Oh wait, I forgot we have unleashed the butcher gang. I already saw another pack of gen sticks. Like, how is it possible that we have so many gen sticks?
So here's what I've been asking myself. Sean, you went and bought yourself a new one-of-a-kind tool belt. 'Twas a beautiful thing. But last night, you put it up on your shelf. And the very next day, when you came back to this old toy factory, it was gone. Lost to thin air. Now here's the very question I asked myself. Isn't that new one-of-a-kind tool belt that gent fella's wearing this morning just such a beautiful thing? I wonder where he got that dirty crow.
Okay. He came from there. Oh, 25 is already the maximum. Yay, thank you. Yay! I know I could have luckily, or, you know, just ran through it and get there, but just for safety purposes. For safety purposes. How many slugs do we have now? We got the baseball bat. Yay! We're going to smack the shit out of people. As we know, wherever we go, we get something else. Like, gent key, I could imagine we would get it in the gen workshop. Candles, music department. As well as the tunes, maybe. Okay, so that was it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed and have a nice day as always. We wait for another part. I'm going to get then to the abyss because we will either I will get back, I will do a quick round like today with this video, just like in Artist Rest next time, to get the fuses. And otherwise we will go to the abyss. Not only to find a button to probably get to lower levels. So, yeah. Have a nice day.